Welcome to Destination Jamaica. Big up to all subscribers, all viewers, everybody who share, comment, like the thing. Bless up to Uno. Now it's been a while since we talked. We're gonna go straight into the updates. It's been a great weekend for track and field. Had some events over the weekend that made many of us proud. So let's start off with the great Shelly-Ann Fraser, who actually clocked 10.81 seconds in the World Gold Tour. So she actually got the meet record that has been standing since 1986 with 10.93 seconds, and she broke the thing because that's Shelly for you. She's a history maker. Our Jamaican sprinters, they will continue to make history and have moments that will never be forgotten. Now, it's even said that Shelly-Ann Fraser is right up there with Merlin Ottey with having the most sub-11 times for the 100 meters. So we're not so sure if it's still Merlin Ottey or if it's her, but we'll check and we'll let you know, okay? Now let's speak about this phenomenal lady, little but talawa, Shelly-Ann Fraser Pryce. And then we're going to go into the other updates. Now, as you know, she's a Jamaican track and field sprinter, and she competes in the 100 meter and 200 meter, and she was known to compete in the 60 meters as well. She is known as one of the greatest sprinters of all time. Now, she achieved worldwide success during the late 2000s and 2010s, and she really raised the bar for Jamaican athletics on the international scene for women. In the 100 meter, her signature event, she is a two-time Olympic gold medalist and a four-time world champion. In the 200 meter, she has won an Olympic silver medal and world championship gold. Now, Shelly is an 8-time Olympic medalist, and she rose to prominence at the 2008 Beijing Olympics. Do you remember that one? So at the Beijing Olympics, she became the first Caribbean woman to win gold in the 100 meter. At the 2012 London Olympics, she became one of only 3 women in history to defend an Olympic 100 meter title. Now, of course, she is the most decorated athlete in history as it relates to the World Athletics Championships. She won 10 golds, including 1 indoor title and 2 silver. She is the only person to win 4 world titles in the 100 meter. So that was in 2009, 2013, 2015, and 2019. Her win in 2019 at the age of 32 made her the oldest female sprinter and the first mother in 24 years to claim a global 100 meter title. In 2013, Shelly became the first woman to sweep pandem the 100 meter, 200 meter, and 4x100 meter at a single world championships. And she was voted the IAAF World Athlete of the Year. She's a dominant force in women's sprinting, and she continues to burn up the track. So her recent win adds to her history, and she continues to do what she does best. Be the little but talawa runner on the track. Now that's a little bit about Shelly. She's known as Pocket Rocket, as you know, and she's known as a great sportswoman. I've heard phenomenal things about Shelly. Now, so big up Shelly. Shelly, thank you so much for what you've been doing, and we're looking forward to seeing you at the Diamond League final. I think she'll be there, guys. Let me just double check and I'll get back to you. Now we're going to move on to some of the other great moments that took place over the weekend. So we had the Diamond League, we had the Città di Padova in Italy. So let's speak about that. Now, Stephenie-Ann Mcpherson, she is back. I was wondering, I mean, many people were wondering what happened to her, and we're worried about her. And because the last time we saw her was at the Olympics and she was in a lot of pain. But she's back and she's doing great. She actually won uh, the 400 meter in 50.78 seconds, right? So big up, come back and do our thing because we'll fall, but we have to keep rising, guys. And that's why I love sports. It's so inspirational. It's not just about the competition, it's about the life lessons that you can learn on the track. Now, in that same event, Junelle Bromfield came third in 51.19 seconds. Shanika Ricketts, she won her triple jump event, right? So that was another winner. And we had the race that everyone was looking forward to, even though we didn't have Shelly in that race or Elaine in that race. We did have Brianna, and she raced against four Americans, right? And the four Americans, four Americans actually placed before her. She came fifth, and Shakari came second, and Javian Oliva came first. So they're the Americans that actually came first, second, and third in that race. But good try, Brianna. She's young and she's doing her best out there, and I'm sure there's much more to come for her. Now, Ronald Levy, he won his 110-meter hurdles in 13.34 seconds. So big up, Ronald. Julian Ford came fifth in the men's for 100-meter with 10.33 seconds. Odin Richards came fourth with his shot put of 20.44 meters. That's what he got. There's also Rasheen McDaniel. He was placed seventh in the men's 400-meter with 46.32 seconds. Right? And the final update is Natoya Goule. I've been watching her like the entire season, and I'm so happy for her. She won her first Diamond League, and she actually thanked her coach and God for believing her. So big up to Natoya Goule for winning her first Diamond League in the 800-meter. Because January girl, you got it and you lock it and you take home the win. All right, so that's it for the updates for over the weekend. We can't wait to see the final. And the final takes place this Wednesday and Thursday, the 8th and 9th of September. So that's in Zurich, that Diamond League final, and we're looking forward to the final. It has been such a great season. We are pretty happy with the performances, and I'm sure the athletes are feeling happier about their performances and the trials and errors and just doing the best that they could in the events. So that's it. That's it for the updates, guys. We're going to have so much more coming your way. Check us out in the community. We're going to have different content, and we can't wait to show you what we have in store. So we are so happy that you're here. This channel is better because of you. Just keep watching the thing, sharing your comments. If there's anything that we need to know, let us know. We're all open ears as we look to become the best that we can become. So have a good night. Bless up, stay up full, and remember to share the thing. If you're not subscribed yet, oh yeah, wait pan, hit the subscribe button right now. Turn on the notifications so that you can know when we drop new videos and new posts. Alright guys, so that's it for now. We'll chat again next time.